Hello everyone, welcome back to Dub Chinese. 我是你们老师 Gloria. Today I'm going to teach you how to flirting in Mandarin. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Dub Chinese with Gloria and then remember to click the bell. First, when you meet a girl in the street who is quite cute, then you could say 你很可爱，你很可爱。你 you 很 very 可爱，可爱 cute 你很可爱 you are cute. And if you meet a girl who is quite pretty, then you can say 你很漂亮，你很漂亮。你 you 很 very 漂亮 pretty 你很漂亮 you are very pretty. And for girls, if you meet a guy which is quite handsome, you could say 你很帅，你很帅。你 you 很 very 帅，帅 handsome你很帅 you are handsome. So in China, normally we will use WeChat. So if you want to add her WeChat, you can ask 可以加你的微信吗？可以加你的微信吗？ Could I add your WeChat? 可以 could 加 add 你的 your 微信 WeChat 吗？可以加你的微信吗？可以加你的微信吗？ Could I add your WeChat? If you try to confess your love to a Chinese girl or a boy, then you could say 我喜欢你，我喜欢你，我 I 喜欢 like 你 you 我喜欢你 I like you. Then maybe you want to ask, could you be my girlfriend? 可以做我女朋友吗？可以做我女朋友吗？可以 could 做 be 我的 my 女朋友 girlfriend or for boyfriend is 男朋友 boyfriend 可以做我女朋友吗？ Could you be my girlfriend? So if you are in a bar and then you meet a girl you really want to buy a drink for her, then you could tell her 我想请你喝杯酒，我想请你喝杯酒。Can I buy you a drink? 我 I 请你 buy 喝 drink 杯 a cup of 酒 is a general word of wine, beer, alcohol like this. So it's same if you want to buy her a coffee. In Chinese is 咖啡 and if it's bubble tea, then you could say 奶茶 bubble tea. 我可以请你喝杯酒吗？我可以请你喝杯酒吗？ Can I buy you a drink? So if you want to text your girl, you want to say, "Oh, I miss you a lot," then you could tell her, 我好想你，我好想你。I miss you so much. 我 I 好 very 想 miss 你 you 我好想你 I miss you. Then how could you court babe or dear? Then you could say 亲爱的亲爱的 It means dear. And babe, actually we have similar pronunciation. It's called 宝贝宝贝 So if you two have a movie date, then you can say 我们一起看电影吧 Let's go to see a movie. 我们 we 一起 together 去 go 看 see or watch 电影 movie 我们一起去看电影吧 Let's go to see a movie. The last one, if you want to set lots of kiss to her, then you can say 么么哒 It means lots of kisses 么么哒 If you like my video, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, Talk Chinese with Gloria, and don't forget to click the bell. Okay, see you next time. 再见，拜拜，么么哒。